lot of times we walk into multiple different houses and they have all different brands. Fortunately, we're schooled in multiple brands, okay? But whatever brand the customer feels comfortable with and has experience with, that's the brand you really want to try to stay with, because the customer has that warm fuzzy feeling that they're content with, okay? Now, if that brand does not offer a certain particular design parameter, well then I'm going to recommend my brand or another brand that does meet their criteria, because different manufacturers do things slightly differently, okay? Sometimes it's a size issue. You know, high efficient coil and a high efficient heater is a certain height, it won't fit in your application, so we have to go to another brand, okay? And that's where it does make a little bit of a challenge, but that's where we can custom fit it so that way you're comfortable is our goal. You want to make sure the brand stands behind its equipment it's designed for you. Okay, there's multiple different design parameters. Some brands you can only get a 75,000, some brands you can get an 80,000. So depending on the heat load or heat loss to the house, I should say, or the cooling load, you might have to vary your brand just by that. But you have to feel comfortable with the brand, knowing the manufacturer's going to stand behind the brand. Okay, the brand we offer you, we will stand behind it, and the manufacturer stands very strongly behind it.